jobs to do in Spog. I'm putting the diesel heater on just to warm him up a little bit, because that's not going to do any harm running that for a bit. And then I need to go and get a spanner to fix the tank against the wall properly before I next go on my adventures. And I'm going on an adventure in February, so I want to make sure that's done, and I don't want to forget about it. The floor is a mess. I've got some broken fairy lights which need to come down. I got various bits I got for Christmas which I need to put in to cupboards, and just a general tidy up really of Spog, and a hoover. So I'm going to make a start on that now. So I've got heat coming out, but it's not, I think the notches are going down again, so I need to go check the back, and I'll show you what the problem is. This has dropped, and it falls on there. You can see that bit there. It doesn't have another bolt. Oh, is the bolt falling out? Oh, the bolt's falling out. Where's the bolt? That's turning off now. No bolt. Would a screw do the job? Maybe. Hole anywhere? Let's take a eye. I need something under there. Hold it up. Not too far. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh, you annoying thing. Just go in. How much space is it? Is that metal? Or is it wood? Boarding. Metal. Is that metal? There's a hole there. So why is it not going in? Don't understand. I have a problem in that I'm pretty certain that box is made of metal covered in carpet, not made of wood panelling. It looks like when Kev fitted it, he put 2 bolts in, because there's a loose washer but no bolt, and there's a hole where he's obviously gone to attach it, and I'm sure he would never have put 1 bolt in because it wouldn't have been secure. So the bolts obviously come out, but I can't find the hole in the woodwork where it would have sat. So now I'm at a loss. I need to find some way of propping it or jimmying it somehow. So that's my next job. It might be a case of a strap and a hook, because I have those. And just to annoy me even further, the cap doesn't fit properly on, so when I tipped it forward, because it's got diesel in it, diesel splashed out, even though the cap is shut, and went in my cup of tea. So now I've got to make more tea, because my other one had a rainbow effect on the top, and I looked at it and went, why has that got a rainbow effect? And then I looked at the splashes of diesel and I went, because I've got diesel in my tea. I do not run on diesel, I run on tea. Right, let's go back to it. That cup's going in a safe space. Sure, well, that's gonna stick. That has fixed the problem. Excellent. Let's push that cable back under. Brilliant. That's done it. Pleased with that. After an hour of working on this van, trying to work out how to fix it, I've jimmied it, and I think it's safe. I mean, I'm sure people will say that's not good enough, but I don't have a metal drill bit thing to go through that I'm aware of. I have wood and masonry, and I'm not going to go drilling into things I don't know about. So that is my solution, and it's working. It's so warm in here, it's lovely, and it was so cold outside. So the next job on my list is to put this up somewhere in the van where I will have it permanently. Although I can move it around if I want to. But this was a vlogging light and stand that my sister bought me for Christmas, with the idea that I'd use it in the house. But when I got it out, it's USB, and so there's only one spot in my house I could use that if I didn't have a computer with me, and I never have a computer with me. But I've got USB slots here, and I could always use more light in the van when I'm vlogging and I'm on an adventure. So I need to find somewhere to attach this to, and then I'll probably do it over there actually and bring the cable round the back here, and then it can plug in to my sockets. So I'll work on that next. Right, so if that, wow, attached. There's a big wooden, oh, hold on. Okay, that went on there, and that's not going to be long enough, is it? Then that would be usable over car, then this would be usable, and this, would I just have to bring it round when I wanted to use it? Got anything to plug it into there, have I? No, I've not got USB. I've got those car socket jobbies, you know, 9-volt jobbies. 9-volt, is that right? One of those instead of one of those. Right. cable tie those all together so they don't get caught, and then I can tuck it in there when I'm not using it. Oh, I love it when a plan comes together, people. Right, those I can tie together with that. A couple of cable ties, that will do the job. Oh yeah! A really good selfie light there, so if I shine that on there, that'll shine off and I can direct it as I need it. And then I've got a bracket for when I'm vlogging and doing my cooking and things like that. And if I need to, I'm sure I can move it around and find somewhere else to hook it on, but that seems the most sensible place for it to be right now. And it's a warmer light as well. These ones are all good and well, but it's not a nice light. It's not pleasant. So now that lighting job is done, the next lighting job I want to do is attach my LED lights around the edge of Spog, and again that will be a USB thing. Now I've only got 2 USB things, and that's fine because when I have my fridge in here, that also has USB socket, and I have a battery pack that has 2 USB sockets on it and takes days to run down, so I'll have plenty of power with me to be able to plug things in if I need to. Now my idea for this is it's sticky on one side and lights on the other, and I've got some Velcro, so I wanted to stick the 2 sticky bits, the Velcro sticky and this sticky, together, and then the Velcro can stick to the ceiling. That's my plan, and we'll see how it goes. It suddenly occurred to me that I should probably check these lights before I continue, because I've got myself in a whole spider web of mess. Let me just show you what has happened whilst I've been watching various YouTubers and trying to stick Velcro onto the back of these lights. My goodness, they're longer than I had thought they were. Thankfully they do work. I've just been sticking them to the wall as I go. There's a whole mass of knotted Velcro. I have like just tested them out. It's like, if you've been sitting there putting that together and they don't work, then you're stuffed. Yes, it's all a bit of a mess, really. Quite honestly, I've got a little bit left to go and a whole mess of stuff, but I'm nearly at the end, and then I can start actually putting it around the rest of the van. I still have a few jobs to do, but I have my twinkly lights, which are currently on the colour changing mode. I have my lovely crocheted throw that my sister-in-law made for me. I have put my picture up. All my heroes are weirdos. I've got the light and the whatever it's called, anchorage, that's a tripod thing for my phone, and that's all coming through the cupboard and ready to be plugged in there. I have put all of this all the way around, It's going to look so nice and sparkly. And I've hoovered. Everything's looking very tidy. What I do need to do is get in the front and do a whole bunch of cleaning and wiping my sides down in there, doing a bit of dusting, hoovering. The hoover should have recharged because that died, and take my toolboxes and stuff in because I've finished with those. And Lee got me these as part of my Christmas present, so I'm going to go and use those, but I need a wee and I need another cup of tea, so I'm going to go and get that. And then Spog should be ready for his travels. I think he's looking pretty damn fine. And this is how it all looks now that it's dark. I'm really hoping that you will continue to pop back and check out my 2022 adventures now that I've gone to the trouble of blinging Spog up a little bit more and making sure he's all roadworthy and good to go. I have a lot of adventures planned, and it's made 100 times better by taking you guys along with me. So only a couple more weeks and then I should be able to get out for a test run, and then all the fun adventures start. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you all very soon.